Hello everyone, I'm Shweta from IoT team. Today I'm going to make you to learn about interfacing Raspberry Pi with IR sensor. So if you can take this IR sensor, so this is a circuit where I have constructed. This IR sensor will be having 3 terminals. Okay, so 3 terminals, one is VCC and the middle one is ground, and this other pin is for GPIO. So either you can use this as an output or input connection for the GPIO. So you can see the description also, it will be there on this IR sensor. So this is VCC, middle one is ground, and the last one is for GPIO pin. Now I am connecting this IR sensor on this breadboard. So once I am connecting this IR sensor, as I told you that one of the terminal, the last terminal, we need to give it to the VCC. So this is what the last terminal of the IR sensor, and I am giving it to the VCC terminal on the Raspberry Pi. Similarly, the middle terminal I have given it to the ground. So where is that one? Here, this is the green color line, which is green color wire, which is given to the ground. And similarly, the last red color wire is we need to give it to the GPIO. So here I have taken GPIO 14th pin in order to connect this one. So this is what the IR connection, and similarly you have taken a buzzer. So these buzzer will be having 2 terminals again. So this positive connection is given to the GPIO pin number 17 I have taken, and the black one is again negative, so I have given negative. So what is the purpose of interfacing this Raspberry Pi with IR sensor? This IR sensor will be used for the object detection mostly. So whenever, or motion sensor also, PIR sensor. So whenever an object is placed near this IR sensor, then the object will be detected, and with respect to that we have given a buzzer, so that when the object is detected nearby, then the buzzer has to make a sound. So that we will be seeing now. Okay, so coming to the software part, as of now I have shown you the connections, hardware, and coming to the software, as we have installed. So Raspberry, click on this and go to this programming, and we need to open Thorny Python IDE and we need to write our code. So as this IR sensor code, so this is the code in order to interface Raspberry Pi with IR sensor. So as you know that we have imported the GPIO as input output, and then we have initialized time. So these are the import packages and IO.set warnings, and here you know that either we can use board mode or BCM mode. If we are using board mode, then we need to mention the pin numbers which are there on the Raspberry Pi board, or else if we are using GPIO pin number, then we need to mention here BCM. So as I am selecting GPIO pin numbers for initializing these two, that is buzzer, I am initializing pin number 17, GPIO 17 I am using it for buzzer, and GPIO 14 I am using it for IR sensor. So in this, whatever the object which is detected by this IR sensor goes as an input to the Raspberry Pi, and again the output should be sensed by the buzzer. So that means the input will be taken by the IR sensor and it will be giving to the Raspberry Pi. So here we have the commands io.setup buzzer as an output, and we have set up the sensor, IR sensor, as an input. So this is the syntax which you already know. Okay, in order to set up the input output mode, which we are considering it as an output and which terminal we are taking it as an input. And after that we have given a condition. So if this input IR sensor is equal to, that means if the object is far away, then it will not be, the buzzer will not be doing its function. But if the object is near, then the buzzer has to do its function. So like that we will just observe the code, and as you know that we should click on run, and after that when we now coming to this, after writing the code, then we need to run the code, and when the code is running, we will just place an object near the IR sensor, and then we will see that. So like that, whenever we place an object near the IR sensor, then automatically it will be, the buzzer will be sound.